Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. In today's video, I'm showcasing probably one of the best executors for Roblox in 2026, Volt Executor. So guys, the first thing you want to do is click on the first link in the description with.gg, then click shop. As you can see, Volt Executor starting from $5.97 all the way up to $49.97. Now guys, firstly, let's get right into how to install and register into Volt Executor. So let's begin. Now guys, what you want to do is go to the official Volt website, which will be a link in the description. And as you see, all you have to do is just click download button right here. So just click on this, then click save. And there we go, Volt.exe is finally installed. Now guys, as you see, I currently have Volt.exe in the middle of my screen, so all you have to do is just double click on it. Now guys, you may see this, but guys, don't worry, this is just a false positive. Your PC is completely safe. So click more info, then run anyways. Then as you see, the Volt setup is right here, so just click next, 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 and then click finish. And there you go guys, Volt is finally open. Now guys, if you're a previous user, you can just sign right into Volt. However, I'll be creating a new account, so just click this button right here, and there you go. So guys, let's finally sign into Volt. So let's put in my username. Now let's put in my email. But before we get into the rest of the video, let's get right into the sponsor of today's video, Astromail. Now guys, this is Astromail, a brand new encrypted email that prioritizes privacy, and let's go over some of its features. So there's full layout UI customizability, for example, full page, split view, and pop-up. And here's how they look like. So this is full page, this is split view, and this is pop-up. And there's also ghost aliases, so you can randomly generate an alias that cannot be traced back to you. For example, if you go right here, plus, and as you see, you can literally make any alias right now. So let me just do like sackpot@astromail.com, create, and there you go, you literally have an alias right here. And there's also loads upon loads of encryption features right here. Now, if you want to join the waitlist, there will be a link in the description, and Astromail will be releasing on April 7th. But guys, let's get right back into the Volt Executor showcase. Let's go guys. Now let's paste in our key, and type in our password as well. Then just click create account, and then boom, you're finally inside of Volt. Now guys, let's quickly go over Volt's UI. So as you can see, there's the terminals area, so you can see which account is currently connected. There's also the area where you can actually set up Volt. So as you can see, there's the Roblox version area. There's also the Volt files, which you need to install, and it also shows you how many instances are currently connected. And there's also a new file, force live channel, toggle terminal, settings, and account. And guys, if you go to the left-hand side of your screen, as you can see, there's the Explorer where you could put in any script you want, and then you could also put in you can also auto-execute any script you want as well. So as you can see, I currently have my project range script in the auto-execute folder. So as you can see, if I right-click on it, I can either enable it, disable it, reveal it, file explorer, execute, rename, or delete. And it's also the script area where you can also put in any script you want, for example, like this, print hi, and then all you have to do is just click on it, type in the script print hi, and there you go. You can close it off, and whenever you open it back up, the print hi script will be there. And if you want to go to the folders itself, all you have to do is just click this button right here. Like, as you can see, open scripts folder, open auto execution folder, and open workspace folder. And you can also refresh it as well. Now guys, let's go over Volt settings. So let me click on the settings button right here. And as you can see, there's font size, font family, tab size, and a bunch more. There's also minimap. There's also cursor and selection, and there's also appearance, which I personally like to use as you see, I already have always on top on. But you can also change the appearance of a bunch of stuff on the UI. There's also the workbench, so as you can see, there's terminal behavior, auto close disconnected terminals, keep focus on disconnected terminals, and maximal terminal output lines. And in the client, there's also redirect output, so it redirects logs to the UI console. There's also this disable internal UI, enable bit library, security purchase prompt hook, which I'd recommend to turn off, and there's also randomized HYD seed. There's also unlock window size, and there's also multiple clients, for example, enable multi-instance. Instance identification, so you can either have it as your username, process ID, or display name, and it's also silent errors. However guys, let's get right into the UNC test for Volt. So let's click on the UNC test, then execute. Open up the Roblox console, and as you can see guys, 98% UNC, 81 out of 83, and the only two tests that failed is WebSocket Connect, which I'm pretty sure Volt does have, and get script closure. Now guys, let's run the SUNC test, so run, then open up the Roblox console, and all you have to do is just wait. And guys, as you see, Volt has a 98% success rate, 85 out of 86, and the only test that failed is decompile, as they currently don't have their own decompiler. However guys, let's get right into the myriad validity test. Let's go. Alright guys, now let's execute the myriad validity test. So execute, and all you have to do is just click include metadata. As you can see guys, Volt has a 93% pass rate, 9 failed, 125 passed, and 134 tested. And here's the link if you want to see the test for yourself. Now guys, let's get right into the vulnerability mitigation test. So let's click right here, then start scan. and let's see if there's any tests that failed. Now guys, I'm actually pretty sure that the vulnerability test for Myriad is currently bugging out right now. That's why it says 11 is vulnerable. However, I'm also pretty sure that Volt actually bypasses all of these vulnerabilities, which is a little bit weird. I'm pretty sure the test is just bugging out right now. Now guys, let's begin the server hop test with Volt. So what I want to do is go to the auto execution area, put server hop, and then paste in the script, and now let's just rejoin the game so it activates. And now guys, let's see the server hop in action. I'm just gonna let this run for a bit and let's see if it crashes after 50 to 100 tests. Yeah, guys, I think that's good enough for now, bro. That was like 4 straight minutes of just server hopping, so yeah. Now, guys, as you see, I currently have 4 instances open on Volt, and all of them are running flawlessly and efficiently with no issues at all. And guys, the Farmers package allows you to have infinite amounts of instances on Roblox. Now guys, let's run a little stress test. So let's run this script right here. And guys, as you see, the function in fact works properly. Therefore, the Volt is in fact not garbage. Now guys, if you execute the script on an executor and if it returns nil, your executor is in fact garbage. For example, you would get nil on potassium. Now guys, this test, basically what it does is that it makes you crash if the exploit handles TPs too late, which results in a bad TP handler. So let's execute the script, execute. And there you go, it works properly with no crashing. Now guys, this script, what it does, it basically calls a bunch of functions with random args, and it'll crash if the exploit has bad checking, or just overall bad checking. However, I'm also pretty sure this will crash Volt. However, let's see, run. And there you go, Volt just crashed. GG's. Now guys, let's run the hook function test. So run, and as you see guys, tested with an 88% success rate, 14 out of 16, tested with a 29% undetection rate, 2 out of 7, 5 hook function detections, 2 tests failed. But guys, that's pretty much the end of today's video. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. All of the links will be in the description, and bye bye guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.